Hi, this is Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. We're just working on an offer for a client, and we're making some, what used to be high demands from the buyer's side in our offer, and the seller seems quite reasonable to give us what we're asking for. So, the takeaway today is every market's different. Just because a few years ago, when we were writing offers for buyers, you got 1,000, that's it, baby. If you were lucky, because there were 8 people behind you. Those days are long gone. So now, if you're representing and you're going to be offering on a house, now's the time to think, hey, maybe we can ask for a longer extension. Maybe we can ask for some different work to be done. Maybe we can do some more inclusions. Be creative, think what you need to do. When you get willing buyers and sellers, anything's possible. So just maybe make a list at the house and keep in mind, what can we do to bring this together? But this is a chance for maybe to get more than you thought you could in the past. Hey, if you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. That way you'll be notified every time a new video comes online. Okay? Have a great day.